How does fire code affect sprinkler system requirements? Imagine a building where a small fire could turn into a big disaster. Fire codes are like the rulebook that helps prevent that from happening by setting rules for sprinkler systems. These codes decide where and when sprinklers must be installed to keep everyone safe. They look at how big a building is, how tall it is, and what kind of activities happen inside. For example, if a building is larger than 5,000 square feet, many fire codes say it must have an automatic sprinkler system. If the building is taller than 55 feet, sprinklers are usually required throughout the entire structure because fires can spread faster and evacuation gets harder. Occupants also matter. Buildings with dangerous or flammable materials, like factories with woodwork over 2,500 square feet, need sprinklers everywhere. Mixed-use buildings that combine homes and businesses often have to install sprinklers in all areas to protect residents and workers. When a building gets remodeled or expanded, fire codes check if the new size or use means sprinklers are now needed. If the fire area grows beyond the original limit, or if the use changes to something more hazardous, sprinklers might have to be added. The standards that guide these rules include the International Building Code, the International Fire Code, and the National Fire Protection Association Standard Number 13. These standards tell us what type of sprinkler system is best for each building. There are different kinds, like wet pipe, dry pipe, deluge, or pre-action systems, depending on the environment. For example, dry pipe systems are good for cold areas to prevent freezing, while deluge systems are used in places with high fire risks. Fire codes help firefighters too. When sprinklers are installed according to these rules, fires can be controlled early. This reduces damage, keeps smoke levels down, and makes it safer for everyone to escape. Fire safety systems like sprinklers are a key part of protecting lives and property. The rules make sure sprinklers are in the right places and work properly when needed. So, in short, fire codes set the rules that determine where and when sprinkler systems are required, based on how risky a building is. Following these rules helps save lives and keeps buildings safer for everyone.